Welcome to MHC Truck Source, located in Kansas City, Kansas. Our goal here at MHC is to provide our customers with the best possible courtesy and on-time service. Now let's take a look at our newest unit. This 2012 Kenworth T800 Day Cab features a Cummins ISX15 engine with up to 485 horsepower and is paired with an Eaton Fuller 13-speed manual transmission. It is spec great with a 220 wheelbase, 355 rear gears, full lockers, and an air slide fifth wheel. Let's go inside to check out the interior that includes 16 gauges, power windows, locks, mirrors, and an air ride driver's seat. This truck has a fresh DOT and detail and has been fitted with brand new Virgin Drive tires that sits on 24.5-inch aluminum wheels. Comes with 409,000 miles and is perfect for many vocations. There are multiple units available, so give us a call at 816-921-8600 for more information about this 2012 Kenworth T800 Day Cab.